Meaning of frightful.
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 Frightful. Frightful means causing extreme fear or terror. It is often used to describe something that is very unpleasant or shocking. The word can be used to describe a wide variety of things, such as events, situations, actions, or even people. For example, a frightful accident or a frightful experience can be traumatizing and have long-lasting effects on someone's mental health. Furthermore, a frightful person may be intimidating, and their actions can cause others to feel scared or threatened. Overall, frightful is a powerful and evocative word that conveys a sense of danger, horror, and terror.